So hailing all the way from not too far this morning is our Diaspora guest, Commander Richard Collings, police commander for the Miramar Police Department, and he's here with us this morning. Ricky, welcome to Smile Jamaica. How are you, sir?
Good. Hi, Devil.
All is well?
All is well.
I like the look, sir. I like the look. Never seen you in a police uniform before, so it's good to see that. But let's start from the top. I mean, you owned a business in Jamaica. You were a manager for a big firm in Jamaica. Why did you leave?
I left at the time due to trying to make a headway for my daughter, to get a head start on her coming up to college here. So we were leaving like 5 years before she'd graduate. That was the plan, and that's how I tried to work it.
And how did that go? Everything went off all right with your daughter? She went to school and stuff, and everything went off, right?
Absolutely. Went to Rutgers University. Did very well.
Oh, fantastic. How did you end up in Miramar? And how did you end up being a police officer in the first place?
I am unsworn. I used to be with another city prior to this city. And then it was COVID. COVID is what changed the game, and the whole dynamics of the business changed. So there was a need for someone to carry the city through the COVID period, because everything was just, the word we use in the police department, it's fluid. Things change constantly. I mean, sometimes by the hour. So there were new ordinances coming out based on the governor, changing rules. 5 people can gather, 10 people can gather, stuff like that. So what they wanted was somebody to come in and be that hybrid to manage both the residential as well as the business part of it, work with the state police. It was a coordinated event, and I tried to fill that gap.
Yeah, but at that time you were not a police officer, or you were at that time when you came in?
No. I was working for another city, actually doing a different form of enforcement, and more along the building side. So as a general contractor here, for my line of work, you have to get sort of certifications. You become a general contractor, you get a realtor's license, you're pool certified, you're drone. You have to have a wide, vast knowledge to kind of manage the different needs of the city.
Yeah. When I say commander for the Miramar Police Department, is that something like our police commissioner in Jamaica, or no, it's something different?
No, sir. I have a division.